What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with a quick tutorial. Now, you may have just gotten your new S20 phone. This is S20 Plus Cloud Blue. And you want to know what's the first thing you should do when you get this device. Now, it's a phone. You're going to be able to talk on it. There's a review for everybody has a review out on this. I probably won't review this model just because it's a phone. It's a smartphone. It has a better camera than last year. But the main thing that I was really worried about was the 120 hertz refresh rate. First thing you need to do when you get this device is go into your display and motion smoothness, and you need to change this refresh rate. Now, you may say it doesn't matter, but coming out of the box, this is your refresh rate and this is your screen resolution. Now, it still looks good at 60 hertz and the 4K quality. But I'm just scrolling just to show you guys, and I'm going to do a side by side on this. So just scrolling, but this is 60 hertz right here. 60 hertz, scrolling. Okay, now let's do 120. Go back to display, motion. You actually have to change the screen resolution right here in order to use that. So you can only use your 120 in the 1080p section. Then you go back in here, hit apply. Now, just to show you that this won't work, when you go to the screen resolution and you try to do your quad HD, it'll give you this, that the high refresh rate isn't supported by the quad HD. So we're just gonna leave it at that. Go back. So we're just gonna leave it in 1080, apply that, go back to our refresh rate, change that, apply that, and come back out. And now let's see how our scrolling works. So it's a much smoother scroll when you're using this in the 120 hertz refresh rate. Now, there are a few games that play in this, and I'll show you those in another video. But really, I just wanted to tell you what you needed to do when you first get this phone. You want to turn that 120 hertz refresh rate on because that's what you paid for. Of course, it has a better camera. It shoots in 8K, but most people can't even watch 8K video. They don't have anything capable of displaying 8K video. So 8K video is good, but it's just not relevant right now. First thing you want to do is turn on that refresh rate. That's something that you can enjoy right now. Just being able to scroll through this, and you should see the side by side. But just to be able to see that refresh rate and get that smoother scrolling experience on this device, to me, that's the number one thing you need to do when you get your S20, S20 Plus, or your S20 Ultra. So remember, all of those devices can take advantage of the 120 hertz refresh rate. They all have great screen quality. They are above like 500 pixels, like 511, 525, and 5 something else. But the PPI is high on these devices. You're going to get a good screen. You're going to get good quality. You're going to get good colors because Samsung always provides the best in the color section. But the refresh rate is the number one thing you actually want to do when you get this device in your hand. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.